We founded WEARSOX in 2004 after discovering this new process.
We created a patented thermal spray technology.
And it was the marrying of a solution that didn't have a problem to solve that found a problem.
When you drill an oil well, a hole is drilled with a bit, that is pulled back out, and then casing is run into the well. That casing must be cemented in place, and to ensure a good cement job around that casing must be centralized in the hole.
If the pipe, on the other hand, is lying up against the side of the hole, that will give a path for high-pressure fluids to migrate up, and this will be over time or instantly a loss of well control.
WEARSOX sells centralizers and stabilizers, and we are able to build them directly onto casing.
And that means that we can put directly onto the casing shapes, whatever is required by a drilling engineer chosen for that particular well or section of a well, to centralize it.
WEARSOX can be used to create any shape that an engineer can envision.
WEARSOX technology is all about sprayed metal.
In this case, two wires that go at each other, similar to welding, where one wire is positive, the other is negative, which creates an arc which melts the wires.
Compressed air blows through the center and creates a cloud of molten metal particles which build up on the casing.
WEARSOX has patents in the United States and the United Kingdom. The patents cover the twin wire arc spray process as well as the chemistry of the metal that WEARSOX had created.
What is unique to WEARSOX is the alloy system that we apply, which means in successive passes we can build up to virtually an unlimited thickness.
The WEARSOX application process looks extremely hot because we are spraying droplets of metal at several thousand degrees. However, the total amount of energy in that spray is actually insufficient to raise the temperature of the pipe that we're spraying onto by more than 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
WEARSOX, the application process consists essentially of 4 elements. The first one is to locate on the casing where we're going to apply the material. Second step is to clean and grit blast the material to a very rough profile. The third is to spray the material in the shape or the size configuration that's required. The fourth is to measure that, quality control, that it can't be too large and can't be too small. And the tolerances with which we hold this are very tight.
Many people believe that WEARSOX is applied on top of other welded materials. However, that is a misconception, and what we do is we build our product directly onto the pipe.
WEARSOX has been built on rigorous testing. WEARSOX has grown to be recognized primarily by the major operators, the super majors and other operators where on high-end wells where the cost of a well might be $100 million, and WEARSOX is used because it is proven to be dependable. The material has been applied to casing that has actually been removed from the hole and re-inspected, and we have never had a failure.
Some of WEARSOX customers include the largest major oil companies in the world like ExxonMobil, BP, Shell, Chevron, ConocoPhillips, and I think the fact that we have worked for them is the best endorsement that there could be for our product.
WEARSOX has 2 facilities currently, one in Houston and one in Stavanger, Norway.
And we are currently looking at opening another facility in Brisbane in Australia.
There are many forms of centralizers in the oil field. However, WEARSOX is new and distinct from anything else. We have no direct competition because the closest thing that would compare to us would be made of plastic or made of some type of ceramic.
With WEARSOX, from the very beginning, our quality program has been very stringent and continues to be so. We continually train our people and we inspect before, during, and certainly at the final product prior to shipment. Quality rules here.
You can contact us through our website, email us, or call us, and all that information is on the contact page of the website.
We'd love to work with you.